everybody, so we are starting a new project today. We are going to be adding some edible landscape to our front yard. I am super excited for this project. We have a ton of space to work with, and so it'll be really exciting to have not only things that we can harvest from, but actually stuff to look at. So let's get going. So before we could begin our project, we had a lot of work to do. To begin with, our mesquite tree had suffered a broken branch in a windstorm recently and also needed to be trimmed up. We also have an old sisud tree that needed to be pruned, and because of the spot we chose to place our garden, we decided it was best to prune it back now rather than later so we wouldn't risk any damage to our garden during that whole process. There were a lot of overgrown plants and bushes as well. So finally, after a long day's work of trimming and hauling away all the branches and leaves, we finally finished clearing the area and we're set to get to work on our edible kids garden. The kids have been wanting to create a garden space of their very own. We were super excited to start this project and had lots of different ideas in mind. In the end, they chose to make a spiral herb garden design.
I like the design, how like the dill is in the middle. So my favorite plant, as you can see, is the chocolate mint. It smells so good, and I like how it looks different from all the other types of mint. It feels rough, but not too rough, and it's shiny. I think it's really pretty and it smells amazing.
There's a big like hill coming up, and it's all surrounded by these beautiful flowers and plants, and they're all really unique. They all have this little unique textures and look. It's beautiful.
I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and we hope to see you again on the next one. Bye!
Thank you for watching. Bye!